Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a portable small fan with the help of laptop fan. So this laptop processor fan was not in operations for a long time and it was a scrap from one of my laptop, and however I have converted it into a mini fan. So it is a chargeable type of fan and you can able to charge it. So let's start how to make it. First of all, you must require a scrap fan, battery holder, a charging kit, a switch, and of course adhesive. So first of all, fix the fan on the top of battery holder as shown in the video. Just glue it. Hold for few seconds. So now I will install the charging unit for the lithium battery. Just glue it with the battery holder. After that, install the power switch. First of all, cut the two wires which will not be required. You must require only the black and the red ones as shown in the video. So eliminate the remaining two wires. Just cut it. Try to cut it carefully because if anything goes wrong, you may cut the main wires. So now connect the negative terminal with the negative terminal of the battery and the charging circuit. Similarly, you have to connect the positive terminal and then you have to install the power switch. So you can see it here. I have also connected the positive terminal with orange wires and now install the power switch. So just install it at the side of the fan. I think this position will be more convenient for operations. Now connect the positive terminal of the fan with one terminal of the switch. Another terminal of the switch will be connected with the battery. So you can see it here, the connection is completed. Now install the battery as shown here and check it is working or not. So just install the battery. Be careful about the terminals, positive and negative. I think the switch is not working, so let's replace the switch. So now I have replaced the switch. You can see it here. Let's check it how it works. So I have to provide a stand. Yes, the air is quite flowing well.